told you not to do a lot of damn things. You don't let me do it. I had 32 calls. For real, I ain't talking Rick Ross shit. And I'm on the hard spark plug, and I'm gonna send you the video footage. The one that way in the back. This is the proper way to take spark plugs off. You need a ratchet, an extension. And you will need a 5/8, which is a spark plug, deep well socket. Oh, God. Y'all have missed 3 of the installations, but there's yet more to come. 3 more.
In the word is he talking like this?
You always take them off one by one. Say, Webber.
Daddy, why you always be licking your lips? Every time you say something, you like
That's right. That's a if it's whistling, it's probably a belt loose. I have to check. I'm talking to Charlene, so she understands nowhere else. We ain't supposed to be or something. But anyway, this is the proper way to do it to me. These are called spark plug wires. On my video, these are spark plug wires. Okay, they're based on the size from the distributor cap to the motor. You have some motors have 8, some motors have 4. This one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 3.8 motor on the Bonneville. Okay. I've already taken off the back 3. Now I have to replace the wires, which should have been done in sequence of taking them off and putting them on. So, you're gonna need what is called a flathead screwdriver. Because you have a clip that has to be popped. Come on, cameraman.
I'm not a man, I'm a girl.
See, they gonna call you a camera. Ain't no such thing as a camera girl.
Today it is.
Well, you work on that word. Hello. That's how you sleep, baby. That's what's up. Good night. Oh, Charlene done made a word. Camera woman.
I told you.
That's a new word.
Daddy, why everywhere I go? Never mind, I'm just getting my hand out your camera.
Hey.
I said out your
When you
camera, I
went
mean out
video
your
school.
video.
You ever seen a camera woman?
Yep.
Where were you? Where were you? Camera woman? Okay, ask her what her title is. I ain't never heard of that title.
Well, they need to change it then.
No. I think y'all gonna be caught. Okay, why? What is a male?
They're just like
So is a male
that's
woman,
just like
is a male
no
woman
no no
called
no
a
no
male
no no
woman
no
too?
no. They're just like when folks
No.
do the waitresses. That's just like a man be called a waitress.
Okay, well we'll go with y'all argument today. Y'all won.
Waiter and waitress.
Okay, ladies, y'all are right. When you talking to me about your whistling, didn't you ask me something about your whistling? Your whistling. No. That's cute though.
Daddy, why I make it look like I'm so close to you when I'm not?
Ain't no light gonna come on for a belt. Lights don't come on for everything. Well, that's how they get you to spend your money on fixing. That's it. Wow. My best teacher at first was experience, and then I have uncles that are mechanics, and I learned from them a lot of stuff. You pause it.
How?
Press pause.